Good afternoon, Ma'am Cherin Hala. I am Salvania General Saldev, and now I I am here to recite or memorize the Bill of Rights. Article 3, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, nor property without due process of law, nor shall any person denied protection of the laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against the reasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses. He may produce particularly describing to be searched and the person or things to make cease. Section 3. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court and when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceable to assemble and petition the government for the rest of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. The free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without any discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercises of civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and of changing within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Neither shall the right to travel impaired except in the interests of national security, public safety, or public health as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records and the documents, papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decisions, as well as the government research data use as basis for policy development shall be afforded by the citizen subject to such as limitation as may provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the court and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty. Section 12. Any person under the investigation for the commission of an offense shall have the right to be informed of his rights to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice. If the person cannot afford the services of counsel, he must be provided with one. These rights cannot be waived except in writing and in the presence of counsel. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua with evidence of guilt is strong shall before conviction be liable of sufficient sureties or be released or recognized as may be provided by law. The right to bail shall not be impaired, even when the privilege of habeas corpus is suspended. Excessive bail shall not be required. Section 14. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offenses without due process of law. Section 15. The privilege of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Section 18. No person shall be detained solely by reason of his political beliefs and aspiration. Section 19. Excessive fines shall not be imposed, nor cruel regarding inhuman punishment inflicted, neither shall the death penalty be imposed unless for compelling reasons involving heinous crimes the Congress hereafter provides for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of a poll tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment of the same offense if an act is punished by a law and ordinance conviction or acquittal under either constitute a bar to another prosecution for the same act. Section 22. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.